Hey, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be sharing 7 delicious and nutritious meal prep ideas to keep you fueled and energized during even the busiest of days. So, let's dive right in. Our first meal prep idea, mason jar salad. These portable salads are a perfect way to enjoy a variety of fresh vegetables, proteins, and dressings in one handy jar. Simply layer your favorite ingredients and grab one on your way out for a quick, wholesome lunch. Next up, grilled chicken breast. Cook a batch of tender, juicy chicken breasts seasoned to perfection. These versatile proteins can be used in salads, wraps, or alongside roasted veggies for a satisfying dinner. For our third idea, veggie-packed wraps. Load up whole grain wraps with a rainbow of veggies, hummus, and your favorite protein. These wraps are a delightful grab-and-go option for those on the move. On to our fourth meal prep idea, quinoa power bowl. Cook up a batch of quinoa and pair it with roasted vegetables, lean proteins, and a flavorful sauce. These nourishing bowls are both filling and delicious. For a sweet treat, fruit and yogurt parfaits. Layer your favorite fruits with Greek yogurt and granola for a delightful and healthy dessert or snack. Our sixth idea, green smoothie. Blend together leafy greens, fruits, and a splash of almond milk for a nutrient-packed smoothie that fuels your day. Last but not least, energy-boosting trail mix. Combine nuts, seeds, and dried fruits for an on-the-go snack that keeps you energized throughout the day. There you have it, 7 healthy meal prep ideas to conquer those busy days without compromising on nutrition. With these flavorful and wholesome options at hand, you'll never have to worry about healthy eating on the go.